All right, y'all. We got a snowstorm on the way. I think it's freeze on the way for sure. So, we're not gonna ship nothing out. No shipping you out. Going out today. I know people gonna be waiting. People been waiting. We from the snowstorm last week. So, pretty sure stuff gonna be shut down. I'm trying to get y'all this stuff in 2 days. Wednesday, ship you out. We'll crank back up, weather permitted though. So no guarantees in life, weather permitted. But we own it. We got it. We got cake and apron combos. We got the one logo. We got camo. Mint, a hint of mint, purple blurple. We got it all. We still doing it. Text 832-888-7859. Shipping, weather permitted. Delayed till Wednesday. Apologies, sorry for the inconvenience, but we don't want no problems. We gotta get you your stuff in the right time frame. No delays, no weekends, none of that.